Welcome to PreMath. In this video, we have got this interesting problem that involves a system of three equations with three variables. As you can see over here, our very first equation is a plus b plus c equals to 216. Our second equation is a plus c equals to 3 times b. And finally, our third equation is b plus c equal to 0.5 times a. And now our task is to find the value of a, b, and c. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. Let's go ahead and get started. And here's our very first step. I am going to label the very first equation as our equation number 1, the second one as our equation number 2, and then finally number 3. And here's our next step. Let's focus on this equation 1. And here I have copied down equation 1 over here. And now I'm going to rearrange. I'm going to put a and c together. So therefore I can write a plus c and then plus b equals to 216. And now let's focus on a plus c, and from equation 2, a plus c equals to 3 times b. So I'm going to replace that one with 3 times b over here. So therefore I can write 3 times b plus b equals to 216. And now let's combine the like terms. So 4 times b equals to 216. And now we are going to divide both sides by 4 to isolate b. So this 4 and 4 is gone. So therefore our lowercase b value turns out to be 54. So thus we figured out our b value. And now our task is to find the value of a and c. And here's our next step. Let's focus on this equation 3. And here's our equation 3, b plus c equal to 0.5 times a. And now we know that 0.5 could be written as 1 divided by 2. So therefore this equation is going to become b plus c equal to a divided by 2. And now I'm going to remove this fraction by multiplying by 2 across the board. And here we can see 2 and 2 cancels out. So therefore 2 times b plus 2 times c equals to lowercase a. And now we know that b value is 54. So therefore I'm going to substitute this b value 54 over here. So therefore this is going to become 2 times 54 plus 2 times c equals to a. In other words, 108 plus 2 times c equals to a. And now I'm going to move this 2 times c on the other side. So therefore this equation is going to become a minus 2 times c equals to 108. And I'm going to label this one as our equation number 4. And here's our next step. Let's focus on this equation 2. And here's our equation 2, a plus c equals to 3 times b. And we know our b value is 54. So I'm going to replace that one with 54 over here. So therefore we can write a plus c equal to 3 times 54. So therefore a plus c is going to be equal to 162. I'm going to label this one as our equation number 5. And here's our next step. Let's focus on equation 5 and 4. And here I have copied them down. And now we are going to subtract equation 4 from equation 5. So I'm going to change the sign. This positive become negative, negative become positive, and positive become negative once again. And now we can see positive a and negative a, they are gone. So c plus 2c is going to give us 3 times c equals to 54. And now we are going to divide both sides by 3 to isolate c. This 3 and 3 is gone. So therefore our C value turns out to be 18. So thus our C value turns out to be 18. And here's our final step. Let's focus on this equation 5. And here we can see our C value is 18. So I'm going to replace that one with 18 over here. So therefore equation 5 is going to become A plus 18 equals to 162. And I am going to subtract 18 from both sides to isolate A. And here we can see 18 and negative 18, they are gone. So therefore our lowercase a value turns out to be 144. So thus our lowercase a value turns out to be 144 as well. So thus after all the calculations and manipulations, our solution turns out to be our a value is 144, our b value is 54, and finally our c value is 18. And that's our final answer. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.